Hello, today you will learn about
Hello, dear students. This is Claire, your online French teacher. I hope you are well. So far, we have learned how to tell the time in French, and I dare to believe that through our lessons, you are able to complete the steps in French. In this episode, we will move on to exercises that will test your knowledge in our lesson How to Tell the Time in French. After each exercise, we have the correction which will help you to have an unambiguous understanding. So if you're ready, let's get started. What time is it?
Quelle heure est-il?
Very good.
Il est 6h30.
Quelle heure est-il?
Correct.
Il est 16h.
What does it mean in French? Correct.
Il est 6h moins le quart.
What does it mean in French? Exact.
Il est 4h30.
And the last one.
Quelle heure est-il?
Very good.
Il est minuit.
You can also say,
Il est midi.
I dare to believe that you no longer have any doubts about telling the time in French. If this is the case, please leave your concern in the comments. Take care of yourself and see you soon for a new episode.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.